What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of a new monitor I just got, the HollyLand Mars M1. And if you're a videographer, you already know how important it is to have a really good monitor. So I was in dire need of a new monitor, and I had the Viltrox monitor before, did not like it, but we're just going to do a quick unboxing video of the Mars M1, see what comes in it, go from there. This is not going to be like a review or anything. I'll probably do a review later on it, but everything else is just going to be unboxing and just seeing the contents within the box. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm hyped. I needed a new monitor, and we're about to enter wedding season 2. Perfect. Taking the down. All right, so straight off, first thing that comes out is, what is this? This is a screen protector. Oh, screen protector for the monitor, I guess. So I'll apply that. So it comes with a screen protector. It literally looks like it's from my iPhone. So yeah, we'll look into that later, but it's about the same size, literally the same size as my iPhone. So that's kind of funny. All right, so here we have it, the Mars M1. That thing is freaking clean. We're gonna take that out. I don't even want to touch the screen. It has a plastic over the screen. Feels really nice. Has what looks to be, you know, your 1/4" thread. We have the DC output in the back. Let's go ahead and focus on that cam. DC in, SDI, and then of course the spot for the battery. But it's a 5 inches or 5.5? But that's the monitor compared to my iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's a tad bit smaller. All right, let's see. That's comes with, okay, so it's D-tap. Perfect. It has like the D-tap adapter to it. So this will be going straight into my V-mount battery at 212. So it'll literally get powered by the small rig 212 D-tap. Perfect. That's dope. All right, well, that looks like it's it. That's a quick unboxing. Nothing to it. Dope. I'm gonna throw this on my FX6, plug it up, and look at the settings. And I think I may do another video in a couple of weeks reviewing it, and we'll go from there. But appreciate y'all tuning in for this quick video. That's it. Until next time, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe.